Hello, my dank boys. So today I decided to answer some of your guys' burning questions that you guys wanted to ask me. So, first off, we have by Brooke Marie. Wait, to be more exact, Brooke_Marie_33 at leatherface.feels. Hi, how are you? I own a freaking Feels account that is also a TikTok account, and now a YouTube account. I honestly don't think I'm doing too good. Federline.feels. At Leatherface. What does your mask smell like? Sweat, latex, and tears. It's an amazing smell. I love everything about it. Stewie Feels. Do you know the way? Okay, next question. At Crash Bandicoot Feels. Why the fuck did you DM me to ask you a question? 'Cause I simply, I didn't have enough people at the time, and I needed questions for this video. So I wanted to make it today, 'cause tomorrow I'll be busy. Cartoon Ringo. At Leatherface Feels. So do you think I'm beautiful? Yes, you are more beautiful than dolphins jumping over a rainbow in a beautiful lake with a sunset and Wendy Williams' 2018 Halloween costume. You are more beautiful than all of that together at once. At Ringo Feels, you are a freaking star, literally. Next question. Finn tells, how come you don't wear at Jake the Dog Tells face? Because he is a cartoon character. I cannot wear his face because he is not standing right next to me. He is not in the same universe as me. He is a freaking cartoon. So, therefore, the best I can do is print out a face of him and wear it. But it's not the actual thing. And plus, I'm allergic to dogs. So that's why I kill humans. Okay. And I love how Jake the Dog Tells responded with, what the fuck, bro? Baron Trump Feels. At Leatherface Feels. What made you like Leatherface so much? Well, this hot, dank, sexy vegan video by Teleanimated called The Evolution of Leatherface had a quote. I'm definitely not going to get this quote right, but it was something of the line as, now, Leatherface settles on a younger female look with a tight black dress to show off his new curvy figure. And after I heard that, oh boy, it was great. And Key of Awesome has made some great parodies called Best of Leatherface. They have a lot of great horror videos. I suggest you guys watch them. And I'm trying to look for their horror playlist, and I only recently found out it's called Best of Leatherface, which I appreciate so much. It really butters up my croissant. Next question by Reaper Feels. Best movie with Leatherface? Was a question mark. For sure, Leatherface the beginning. I haven't actually seen it, but I'm just gonna go ahead and assume it's the best because when I was reading the description of the movie, the first sentence was, a woman has an abortion. An abortion is such a great and happy thing. I think everybody should get an abortion. There's nothing wrong with abortion ever. So that's a great thing. If you have never once gotten an abortion, even if you're a male and can't actually have an abortion, you're now Hitler to me. And then another question by Reaper. Played Dead by Daylight? No, but I've heard of the game. And I discovered it by looking up Leatherface Thick, which I am a very thick person in general, so, And it was just Dead by Daylight videos, so if I had a way to play it, probably. And by Sled Silverstein Field, the author of the given tree. Do you go by Mr. Face? No, I go by Mr. Sawyer or Mr. Hewitt. Not Mr. Face, because my last name isn't face. People just call me Leatherface because they're more retarded than how Dare to Be Stupid show views me as. YoUr BuRiNg, great name. We all know you wear leather on your face. I don't. I wear human remains. I guess I use leather to tie it together, but I don't actually grab leather and put it on my face. Well, one time I did wear a cow head as a kid, so I guess you can call that leather. But do you wear it anywhere else? So, once I cut off a girl's tits and wore them. So did that count for you? So those are all of the questions for today. But I am going to make a part 2 to this, hopefully. So, see you guys the next time I record something stupid. And goodbye, you fat, ugly libtards.